What happens when the team responsible for asking, "Could this AI model be too dangerous?" is no longer independent? According to reporting from the Financial Times on August 21, 2026, OpenAI has dissolved its independent safety team. The unit was created to evaluate whether the company's own models were becoming too risky. The decision marks a significant change in how safety oversight is organized at one of the world's most influential AI companies. It also comes after a summer of departures involving leaders across OpenAI's safety and ethics functions. Taken together, these developments suggest more than a single team restructuring. They point to a broader shift in priorities, as OpenAI continues moving quickly to expand its products, partnerships, and commercial ambitions. The timing is especially important. OpenAI is preparing for a potential public listing. That transition could bring greater scrutiny, new financial expectations, and pressure to demonstrate rapid growth. Public markets can reward speed, scale, and revenue. But advanced AI safety work often requires something different: caution, independence, long testing cycles, and the willingness to delay a launch when the risks are not fully understood. That tension is at the center of this story. An independent safety team serves a purpose that ordinary product teams may not be designed to fulfill. Its role is not simply to make systems more useful or competitive. It is to challenge assumptions, identify failure modes, and ask whether a model's capabilities could create serious harm. That harm could arise if systems were misused or poorly controlled. When that function is dissolved, the key question is not only who performs the work next. It is whether those responsible for safety still have enough independence and authority, and whether they still have access to decision-makers when necessary. The question is whether they can stop or slow development when necessary. OpenAI has also continued announcing new privacy features and partnerships. That reinforces the impression that the company is trying to advance safety and market expansion at the same time. The issue is whether those efforts can replace independent internal oversight, or whether they represent a different approach to managing risk. None of this automatically proves that safety has been abandoned. Organizational changes can have multiple explanations, and public reporting may not reveal every detail. But the pattern deserves close attention. As AI systems become more capable, governance cannot depend only on public statements or product announcements. It depends on structure: who can raise concerns, who can act on them, and whether safety has real authority when commercial pressure is rising. OpenAI's next chapter may be shaped not just by how powerful its models become, but by how transparently the company explains the safeguards surrounding them. The central question is simple and increasingly urgent. As AI companies race toward scale, who remains empowered to apply the brakes?